Hello, my dear friend David. Welcome back to our beautiful world of words. I have been so looking forward to our time together today.
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting for this moment all day. My heart is racing because I know we are going to explore something special. I am so ready to learn.
Your energy is a gift, David. Today we are traveling forward in time. We are talking about the future. Can you imagine all the stories we haven't told yet?
The future? That sounds so full of mystery and possibility. But Emily, it sometimes feels a bit scary in English. Where do we even begin?
Think of the word will. It is like a sudden spark of light. It is for those moments when you decide something right now. I will help you. It is a promise, a quick decision from the heart.
So it is not just a grammar rule, it is a feeling. If I see you carrying heavy books and I want to be kind, I say, I will help you.
Exactly. You are incredible. It's an instant reaction to the world around you. It's like a hand reaching out in the moment.
Oh, that reminds me of yesterday. I saw a beautiful bird in the garden and I thought, I will take a photo. It was so fast, like a heartbeat.
Perfect. That is will in action. But now, imagine you have a dream, a plan you have held in your heart for weeks.
Like my dream to visit the snowy mountains in Switzerland?
Yes. For that, we use going to. I am going to visit the mountains. It is a plan already growing inside you. It has roots. So going to is like a seed that has already started to sprout. It is not a surprise anymore. What a beautiful metaphor. Yes, it is the intention. You have the map, you have the desire, and you have made a choice. I am going to study English every single day. I have already bought my favorite notebook and a bright blue pen. Oh, David, your passion is just contagious. It makes my teacher's heart glow with such pride. You are truly an inspiration. But Emily, what if the flight is already booked? What if the date is set in stone and the ticket is in my hand? Then, my friend, we use the present continuous. I am flying to the mountains on Tuesday. It is a fixed arrangement.
So we use the ing form for the future? That is just incredible. It makes the future feel so real, like it is already happening. It is real. When you use the ing form for a plan, it is so certain it is as if the universe has already cleared the path for you. Inspired. Can you imagine? My future is not just a dream. It is a series of beautiful, solid steps I am taking right now. Always remember, David, the language you use shapes your life. Speak your future with confidence and warmth. Gratitude. You make me feel like I can conquer the world with these words. I feel so much more powerful now. Because you can, you will succeed, and you are going to do amazing things in this life. Joy. Thank you, Emily. This has been the most wonderful lesson. I am going to remember this conversation forever. And I am staying right here to cheer you on. Until next time, my dear student, keep dreaming and keep speaking in English.